Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today's video surprise on a Whirlpool fridge, replacing the LED light module. So I bought the OEM light module, by the way. Before we get started, please remember to hit the subscribe button, the bell icon when you notify new videos. I really appreciate that thumbs up. Alright, so this is a side-by-side from Whirlpool. And I do want to point out a few things before we pull the power in this one. So only one of the LEDs are on. There are many LEDs in this light assembly. So we're going to replace it ourselves. It's a simple DIY. I think most people are able to do it. And it's different part number than the one in the fridge. So the fridge one has the top bottom, all right? And it's a different part number. So keep that in mind. Don't mix it up. So if you buy these modules, make sure you document which one's for which. All right. So before you start, of course, you're going to pull the power. And I'm going to show you the model number and serial number what I have for my fridge in particular, right? So Whirlpool side by side. So the parts came in, and this is the part number for my module for the freezer. So I mentioned before, it's different from the fridge, all right? So it's wrapped in ESD, very nicely insulated, I guess, with a magic of camera work. We're able to unwrap it in less than a minute. All right, so notice that the clear tabs on the top, the white tabs on the bottom. So when you put it back in, you know which orientation it is. So my system will film this thing. You can need a flathead screwdriver like I have right now, maybe a little bit smaller one than the one I have right now. So sorry, the lighting conditions are not the best. We didn't have a really good lighting to do this thing. And the angle is really awkward, right? You have to kind of like be on your knees. All right, so you poke on these little tabs over here. Notice this is the clear tab that we're poking at. You poke on the left and the right, and it's hard to do when you're trying to film at the same time. So you try to pull it down a little bit. I don't care, this test one has the tabs a little bit damaged, but those are the two clear tabs that you want to poke at. 1, 2. Looks very easy. And with the magic of off camera, of course, I was able to get it to come out. So notice that there's still a power connector connected to the unit. All right, all the power is still off, so you want to get that out. So you want to wiggle it left and right and give it a little tug. Be gentle because you don't want to break the cable. You know, that would be expensive if you do. And that came out just like that. All right, so now you want to compare the one that we took out and the new one. Okay, so this is the old one, and this is the new one which you're going to put in. This is in my hand. So looks similar. Even the wet sticker is similar. And these are pretty expensive, I can tell you that. So now you put the connector. It only goes in one way. There's a little notch. You can make a mistake. And when you put it in, make sure it's tight. Otherwise, you have another problem taking it back out and putting it back in again. Notice the white tab's going to be on the bottom. So you push it over there, can align the tabs, then align the clear tabs, and it snaps in. Very simple. All right. Then you want to, of course, remove the clear sticker that's on there. Okay, once you plug the power in, if everything goes right, you got all the LEDs in the assembly will work. And simple DIY, I guess, overall. And it doesn't really take that long to do it, maybe 15 minutes. I'll post more information in the description. Please help me out for thumbs up if you find this video helpful. Comment or share, please, below. And I'll see you next time. Have a good one. Bye.